If you need to express breast milk but do not have a pump, there is a simple and natural way to do it by hand. Here is how you can express breast milk comfortably and effectively using just your hands. First, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Clean hands are essential for keeping your baby safe. Next, find a comfortable and quiet place to sit. Make sure you have a clean container ready to collect your milk. Taking a few deep breaths can help you relax and encourage your milk to flow. Begin by gently massaging your breasts in a circular motion. This helps stimulate milk flow. Then, make a C shape with your hand. Place your thumb on top of your breast and your fingers underneath, just behind the nipple. Gently press your hand back toward your chest, then squeeze and release in a steady rhythm. Avoid squeezing the nipple directly. Repeat this motion and milk should begin to come out. Switch breasts every few minutes or when the flow slows down. Always collect your milk in a clean, labeled container. Remember to wash your hands before and after expressing, and store the milk safely for your baby. You are doing a wonderful job. Like and share this video to help other moms.